Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I'm a professional graphic designer plus computer education expert. In this video with Illustrator, we're going to learn how to make copies from selected object. Let's take this rectangle tool to add an object here on my artboard. Now if I want to make a copy, so there's different methods available that I can use to make copy from selected object. First method, by holding the Alt key and by holding the mouse key, I'm going to drag. So we made a copy. Second method, I can select all objects or maybe only one object. Control C is the shortcut and Control V is to paste the selected object. And the third method that here we can paste is that we can go to the edit and here we have all the options. Cut, Control+X. To make a copy, Control+C. Now we have a copy and we want to paste that. Let's paste that. Control+V is the shortcut. And there's different options available that we can paste. We can paste in frown, Control+F. You can see it's going to add it to this layer 1 in this layer panel. And here we have paste in back. Control+P is the shortcut. And also we have paste in place. In the same place is going to paste. Shift plus Control+B. If you click, so you can see in the same place is going to add the copies. And we have this option which you can paste on all artboards. And if I want to paste on all artboards, first we need multiple artboards. To add here we need to click, and this toolbar on the top we need to click on plus. And now we have different artboards available in Illustrator. Select this, copy, and we want to paste that on all artboards. You can use the shortcut as I said, Alt plus Shift plus Control+V. Click here, so it's going to add that copies to other artboards as well. So this is how we can make copies in Illustrator. One more thing we should not skip that is that if I select everything and I want to make a copy, so simple, you can make a group of copies, not only one, but from this group, by holding the Alt, you can make another copy. So this is how we can make a copy in Illustrator. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.